What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today I will be doing another build contest, but this time I'll be using goop. Obviously, well, that's stupid of me. Well, please tell me what you think is better, this or my plain video of how I cut it. I actually put a lot more time into this. It took around 8-10 hours to fully get ready for the video. And yeah, hope you like it. Alright, so I'm here inside the shop stage 5, and I'm going to, well, first off, I'm starting with 388k. Here's my favorite items. Here's all the items I have. Yeah, so I basically own everything. I can buy whatever I want if I need to. Yeah. Okay, yeah, I guess I'm gonna start building. Let's go. Alrighty, let me just grab this and... Oops. There we go. Yay! Let me just attach this on. I don't want to mess this up because I don't want to. There we go. Nah, I got this. Nope. Yep, there we go. Okay. Let's fly it, bro. This actually flies really well. Yeah. I love this flying, bro. And this lighting. Beep, boop, bop, boop, beep. That sounded cool in my head. Boop, boop. Alright, I've definitely messed up the design here. It's not look cool at all, but it's okay because I made a new one and it looks tough. This actually does look pretty nice though. Flying test. Vroom. Gonna put some light on that. And let's go to test it. Yeah, let's go. That should be cool. I swear if that looks bad, I'm gonna... And where's the present? How do you open it? Do you get close? So let's go. No. How do you... I don't know how to open it. I'm gonna give up on it. I'm gonna have to... Maybe? Yeah, no. Got my cousin! Nope, that does nothing. Retry. Oh crap, oh crap. Oh. Alright, guys. I'ma real quick get some people from the Discord to help me, test this thing out. I'm gonna turn off this voiceover, and I'm trying my hardest to do it. And I hope this looks good because I don't want you guys to get bored. And yeah, I'm about to get someone, I hope. I'm actually watching some Animal Company in the background. Sorry if I talk like Eminem, blah, blah, blah. I also don't want to be too annoying, but I don't want you guys to be bored, so it's like a 50-50 game. Alright, I am almost there. I'm gonna cut to the part where he's here. Yo, we got someone. What's up, my brother? Hold up, yeah. You wanna test out my helicopter, huh? Here's everything. You gotta grab the arm right here, and then you can turn on the flashlight and everything, and then there's this controller that makes it fly, right? Yes, yeah, if you want to grab the controller. Or, oh, switch that in for like a 2 pulls, thank you. Yeah, I guess that would look nicer. That would indeed look nicer. Chuck that away. Gotta go fast. Got to go fast. Let's see. Boom. Bing. Oh, you want to fly it? I got this. Yeah, wait, you're actually good at this. Alright, bro. I'm gonna... You know what? put it down? I'm so confused how this thing works. Sweet.
Bro. Oh, it's going down. Maybe we should put like goop on once.
Okay, let's I got this. Okay, there we go, and boom! It looks beautiful, like a dream. I just had, and I had a dream. Yo.
Oh.
Yeah, let's get in it. I'ma fly you.
Okay.
Ready? Yeah, get in it. Bro, this is so cool. Wee.
Okay, so I got down.
Ew. This is so cool. Turn on the light. Oh, or not. Yeah, I'm gonna fly it. Ready? Whoa, what the heck? Jeez, it's like, it has its own life. I like how you added the hot cocoa to it. Here, you fly me. Fly me. Hello. Blood. Ready? Fly me, please. Fly me to the moon. And let's play among the stars. I see how it is. I swear, I'm gonna make a candy version and give it to you guys. Also, I just realized if I talk like this, then there's like a big difference. I'm also gonna talk like this because this might be a bit better.
I'm doing the good old method.
Cause what the heck? Where's the microphone at? Boom, 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 boom. Okay, it's like here. Okay, guys, I found it. I might have found it. Or is it on the side? I don't know where the microphone is, so I don't know where to talk into. Is it on the roof? No, it's right here. All right.
Oh my god. Whoa.
Helicopter, bro.
Oh. And it's a griefer. Oh. You're not a griefer. Hi. Okay. I got to help home. Pretty neat. Careful. Heard something? It's make it under an angle so it would not fit into itself, you know? Oh yeah. Thanks. And I love chill people. Maybe we'll make a mini giveaway. Damn, he's so sad. Something happened. Like I get in, like I think I better drop all the items I have. Okay. It's off. going to first, and we won't. We will. We will.